Hello and welcome, guys, to the final video of our SolidWorks C# standalone series. Today we're going to be doing some debugging and testing of the application that we have written. Um, so I've prepared a number of files that we are going to process, and let's go ahead and start debugging. So I'm going to click on Start, and this is going to launch the application and attach to it a Visual Studio debugger. So as you can see, when it loads, it's going to go and add the directory in which the application is basically exists. That's the debug folder. And at 0%, we can basically add a new custom property. Let's call it description, right? And let's add a value of I think cube. That was the value. And let's set it to delete. So this is going to delete the custom property from the directory that we are going to select right now. This directory doesn't contain any files, so I'm just gonna go to my C drive, and I am going to go for tests and then dummy, where we have our files right there, and I'm going to click on process and see what happens. So as soon as I click on process, it's gonna start the timer, and it's gonna start processing these files, showing with the name of the file that's currently processing. It's at 50% now. I think there are about 4 files right in there, and it took 24 seconds to complete. Now if I go and browse to here, and I am going to launch SolidWorks, see exactly. So you can see the time that the files were modified were actually um, is close to the current time in my computer. Perhaps you don't see that, but I will simply go open the file, and gonna have to check, sorry, if the custom properties have changed. And obviously, yep, custom properties have changed. um, the description actually was deleted. We can pretty much go back and try to modify the wood. um, the wood so I'll just do wood custom property. I'll say wood, sorry, I'll say to modify the material, and I'm gonna change that to let's say wood 1. Press enter, select here, rather, sorry, the value is wood, and I want to replace it with wood 1. Okay, and I am simply going to click on process again, and it's going to process the files again. We'll just give it a couple of seconds, 24 seconds to process these files. Meanwhile, I'm going to launch SolidWorks, and I am going back to my directory of dummy files, wait for SolidWorks to launch. Okay. All right, and let me just grab this one for example and check if our application has been successful in doing what it's supposed to do. Let's go to the properties. Did we really did we check? Was it checked? Was the deletion? Yep, the deletion actually was checked, so it deleted it. Mistakenly, I'm sorry about that. Perhaps if we, just for the sake of showing, so I'll just add a custom property and call it wood material. Sorry, material, and I'm gonna call this wood. Click on OK. Make sure this part is saved, and obviously part is cube copy. So please, I am just gonna uncheck this one right here, and I'm going to tell it to process once again. So it's processing the first file, and it's not basically finding anything. It's processing another file, and it's processing now the file that we are interested in. Alright, let's go and open the file again and see what happened. Go to property, and that did exactly what it's supposed to do. It has changed the wood value to wood 1, and that's exactly what we want our application to do. Let me just close everything. Um, Thank you to everyone who's been uh, watching from the start. I think I'm gonna put this project on GitHub for anyone who wants to fork it and probably use it to change custom properties in the workstation. Thank you very much for watching. Any questions? You can send them to me to the email at ammon@cadhere.com. I'll leave all the details in the description box below. Again, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video series. Bye bye.